Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these super cute Barbie pink nails. And this is also an update to my Makartt PolyGel nails that I did that everyone loves and have been waiting on an update. So I did keep these nails on for well over 2 weeks, and as you can see, they are still on, they are still strong, and they grew out pretty nicely. I do have a good amount of growth, and they didn't lift too much. I only have an area on my middle finger, slightly right here where it kind of lifted just a tiny bit, but that's about it. So yeah, these stayed on pretty well, and they are tinted a little blue because my hair is blue, so that's why they kind of got darker. I normally don't keep my nails on this long, but since I love you guys, I went ahead and kept them on so I can test them out and see how durable the polygel is. So first things first, I'm just taking off the stones, and I did use the Makartt top coat to adhere these stones, and as you can see, they still held pretty well. So now I'm just using my e-file, and I'm using that around the cuticle area to blend in the polygel with my natural nails. And then I'm just taking this Makartt 100/180 grit file on the 180 grit side, and I'm just shaping up the side walls and just creating my shape back. So after doing all of the prep filing, I'm just going to wipe off all the dust with an alcohol wipe. And this is the PolyGel kit that I used to initially create these nails. So I'm just going to take the base coat and also the Dual Forms. So this is the base gel coat, and I am just going to apply this to my natural nails. It's okay if it overlaps onto the polygel. I mean, it's not going to hurt it. But you want to make sure that you do get a coat on your natural nails, and this just helps the polygel adhere to your nail and stay very well. As you can see, the polygel nails did stay on. So I do think the base gel is very necessary for the longevity of your set. So once I've applied that, I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And as my slip solution, I'm just going to use this 70% alcohol and just place that in the dampened dish. So now taking the Dual Forms, just want to quickly show you guys how they look. And if you guys want a in-depth review of all of this, I will link the video that I did my nails 2 weeks ago, and I went into detail about all these products and all that. So now I'm just going to do my fill in using the same color polygel, and this is the natural pink color. And just taking the spatula and scooping some off and placing it into the Dual Form. Now this part was pretty tricky. Some people was asking me, can you do a fill in using the Dual Forms? So I never did it before, so I'm like, let me try it out. But the tricky part is using not too much polygel, but using enough to actually do a fill. So what I just did was try to concentrate more on the cuticle area of the Dual Form, and just have majority of the product kind of there, and then smoothing it out to where it thins out down the nail. So when I put the Dual Form on the nail, as you can see, majority of that polygel is going to be around the fill line. I love how these dual forms fit. They fit very well from sidewall to sidewall. A lot of people was asking me about heat spikes, and yes, this PolyGel does have heat spikes. So what you want to do is put your LED lamp on the half power setting or the low setting. And once I do that, I kind of just flash cure back to back for like a few seconds. So I'll place my hand in the LED lamp for like 1 to 2 seconds, take it out, put it back in for 1 to 2 seconds, take it out. And I do this a few times, and then I leave it in longer, and then if it doesn't burn, I just keep it in there. So that's what I do to combat the heat spikes. So this is after doing the full cure, and I'm just going to wiggle this dual form off. And as you can see, it filled it in very nicely. The cuticle area is very beautiful, and it has a beautiful curve to it. There is kind of some, jagged edges towards the tip, but that is okay. We're gonna clean that up with our filing and shaping. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all of the nails. So yeah, as you can see, filling in your nails with the dual forms is very possible. You can also just do it the old-fashioned way if you just want to use a bead of the PolyGel and kind of just work that around the cuticle with the brush. That's an option as well. And as always, if you get any PolyGel that squeeze out the sides, you want to make sure to clean that up before you cure. So this is after curing, and I'm just going to wiggle this dual form off. And yeah, as you can see, it is nice and cured, and we do have that little demarcation that we'll take care of with filing. And I just love how the product blends in. You cannot even see that this is a fill-in, like it blends seamlessly. So that's what I love about this.
It's good. What you about to say crazy? I feel it. I know you trying to cook it up.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do my shaping and filing while listening to Sir Cruz live stream with 360 Jeezy. Sir Cruz's live streams be off the chain, and they are so hilarious. So this is what the nails look like after shaping and filing. So now I'm going in with this Madam Glam Candy Fluff Gel Polish, and this is color Kitty Cutie. And this is their faux fur gel polish. It has flocking powder in it, which gives it like its furry, look. And I just think it's super, super cute. So I went ahead with this. This is after 2 coats, and now I'm going in with this Madam Glam Diamond Gel Polish, and this is color Barbie Bliss. And I love this gel polish. I first used this on my daughter's set, and it was super cute and glittery, and this is my first time actually using it on myself, and I love it. It is just so sparkly. So this is after the 2nd coat, and now I'm going in with the Makartt Top It Off Gel Top Coat. And people were asking me, how do I like this gel top coat? Although it won't dethrone my absolute favorite gel top coat, this is like a really high second on the list. Like this is a really very shiny top coat. And as you can see, it does hold on my small crystals. So that is always a plus. So before I cure, I'm just going to put some pink Swarovskis in my iridescent crystals. And these iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So once all the crystals are in place, I'm just going to cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And once the nails have cooled down, I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a very super cute pink, little blingy. I just love how this set turned out, and I still highly recommend the Makartt PolyGel Kit. It is such a great deal. So yeah, get up on that, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.